Hey guys, this is how to redeem Roblox codes on a PC and mobile. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss two methods for PC and mobile. So for PC, just simply go to roblox.com and just simply log in into your account. And from here, just simply scroll down at the very bottom, guys. And after that, you should be able to see here gift cards. So just simply click on it. And after that, guys, at the top right, you should be able to see here redeem a card. And now from here, you should be able to just simply redeem your card over here. You can enter a gift card, a virtual item, or promo code, and just simply provide the promo code over here and check this box and just simply redeem it. Now, guys, for mobile, just simply open up the application. And now from here, just simply go ahead and log in into your account and just simply go for the more at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then after that, guys, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here gift card. So tap on that. And guys, if you don't have that option, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. Just simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store and make sure to update it. And now at the top right corner, you should be able to see here redeem card. So tap on that redeem card and it will redirect you to a browser. And now from here, guys, you can just simply go ahead and check this box over here and just simply provide the code here and tap on redeem and you should be able to redeem it. Now, guys, if you don't have that option, you can just simply go to any web browser into your device and just simply go for roblox.com/redeem, or you can go for promo codes and it will redirect you to the same page over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.